Students, today we are going to see about the computerized auditing. It is in your fifth unit. Why should we audit in a computerized manner? So here I am going to explain the advantages and disadvantages of that. So here first of all, the internal auditor will ask to check the internal control attributes by gaining some assurance in the form of computerized auditing. Next point, we can see that the auditor should face the growing workloads for development process. For a dynamic change, we are using the computer for upgrading purposes. So next, the audit technology tools facilitates more granular analysis of data and help to determine the accuracy of the information. So for analyzing the data in a simple manner using computer is very easy to use, and it's modernized using method. So the scope of the computerized auditing is so to get a clear picture about the financial statement for the IT purpose, and next the primary purpose is to evaluate whether the organization is in a standard accounting practice, whether they are doing any frauds, any miscorrections or appropriations are seen in the statements is checked by using this computerized auditing. The IT auditing is evaluating the system efficiency and security protocols. So here we are seeing these protocols are helping in using this computerized auditing. Some procedures should be followed in computerized auditing is first, preparation of the computing process, preparation of a checklist and data processing. These are the works can be carried out by the computers for doing the auditing purpose. The data processing will very simple while using this computerized auditing. Next, the auditing methods conducts of three types. One is the test data method, detailed examination of selected programs and reprocessing of the selected data with these programs. Next, the use of general purpose of programs. These programs are used in this or in the computerized auditing methods to analyze the data and to get a clear picture and true information on it. Next, we are going to see about the advantages in this. First advantage is to examine the data is more rapid. More rapid means very fast, and the examination of data is more accurate. More accurate means it means very accuracy in this. The only practical method of examination is large amount of data. The computer can store a huge amount of data, so we can easily to analyze it. It did not occupy more spaces and all. While we are making a documentary, it requires more and more space. Even a room was for the data collection, but here it will be stored in this computer system memory itself. And it provides new opportunities to the auditor. It will helps to find out easy way of auditing. So the disadvantages, it is an expansive, so it cannot be applied to all of them. So there are some